Hey everybody, this is Orekoya Olusegun Physics Mathematics Fundamentals on YouTube. Today we are taking a topic in mathematics, and that is a ordinary differential equation by separable variable method. Now, what do we mean by separable variable method? Let's say we have derivative f y prime, and is given as the function in terms of a variable x and variable y. For instance, when we have y prime is equal to, let's say, function of x and then function of y. Now we know that in this particular instance, we are dealing with these two variable x and y. So for us to be able to solve this problem, we need to separate the variable on one side. Like for instance, we take all the variables in x on one side and all the variable in y on the other side. Now the meaning of y prime means the y, the x. So what I have here actually means the y, the x. So I can equate it to f of x times g of y. Now by separating this variable, I will take the variable in y, I will take it to the left hand side and take the variable in x to the right hand side. So what I'm going to have now is going to be the y divided by g of y. So I will carry that of the x to the other side. So I'm going to have something like a f of x. I'm going to have something like f of x on this other side. F of x dx. That's what that place will be. F of x dx. So the other one that I have here, I'm going to take it to the other side. That is f of x dx. Now, what I'm going to have now is going to be dy g of y is equal to f of x dx. So to find the solution, because we are having differentials, we are going to take the inverse of differential, which is integration. So we integrate both sides as dy g of y is equal to integral f of x dx. If we are able to integrate f of x now, and we have something like another function, let's say h of x, then we are going to add what is called arbitrary constant c. Now dy divided by g of y actually mean ln y from the standard integral. So I'm going to have h of x plus c. So what I have here is called the general solution. If the value of c, we can find a value, a numerical value for c, then we have what is called particular solution. Let's solve a problem. Solve. We have dy divided by d of x is equal to 2x divided by y plus 1. So by a separable variable, we take all the y's to one side of the equation and take all the x to the other side. If I cross multiply what I have here, we are going to have y plus 1 dy. Then this one will be 2x. You cross multiply the x to that side, that is a dx. Now when we integrate, the next thing to remove this differentials on both sides. The differential I'm referring to as dy and dx, we integrate both sides of the equation. So what I'm going to do, I will put the integral sign here, integration of this side, then I'm going to integrate this side. Now when we integrate this other side, this y will be y raised to power 2 divided by 2. You know how to integrate. Look at this. Let's say I have integral b, let's say with respect to b, the b, to integrate, you just add 1 to this power here. So it's going to be, there is 1 there before, 1 plus 1, that will give us 2. Then you divide it with what you have, then you add the arbitrary constant. So that's what I did for this y. Then plus the meaning of y, the meaning of 1 actually means y raised power 0. So we have y raised power 0, then you add 1, then divided by 1 is equal to, integral of this other side will be 2x, you add 1 to the power, it's going to be 2x squared divided by 2, then we add the integral constant. So the left hand side of the equation become y squared divided by 2, then plus this other term here is y, is equal to x squared plus c. So the next thing is for us to, to tidy up our work. So what I'm going to have now, by taking every term to the left hand side of the equation, we are going to have y raised to power 2 divided by 2 plus y minus x squared minus c is equal to 0. So this is the general solution. This is general solution. If the question say at point 0, 1, we can find the particular solution to the general solution. The meaning of this one means anywhere you see x, you put 0. Anywhere you see y, you put 1. That's the meaning. So what I have here now will be 1 squared divided by 2 plus 1 minus 0 squared minus c is equal to 0. We are looking for c, so I carry this minus c to the other side. What I have here will be 1 plus half, and 1 plus 1 means 1 whole number, 1 over 2, which is same thing as 3 all over 2. So this particular general solution I have here can be written as in form of particular solution. So I will have it as y raised power 2 divided by 2 plus y minus x squared. So instead of this c up, we say minus, since our c has been obtained to be equal to 3 over 2. So it's going to be 3 all over 2 is equal to 0. So what I have here now is the solution to the question given. This is the particular solution. What I have here is called the general solution. The one on top is called the general solution. The one below is the particular solution. Thank you so much for having your time. Please do not forget to share, subscribe, like, and click on the notification button to have more of my video. Thank you. God bless you. Have a nice day. Bye.